Hey everybody, Chris with EasyAgentPro here to explain to you the new feature, Texty Codes. Texty Codes allow you to create a unique code just for your site that folks can text to a specific phone number. Once they text it to the phone number, you get their information as a lead and they get whatever response sent back to you. You can put this on signs, on flyers, even Facebook ads. The possibilities are limitless. To access Texty Codes, just head to your Texty app and then click on the Texty Codes tab. Go ahead and click Add New to claim your Texty code, and then claim it. Next, type in your message, and then when you're done, go ahead and click Save Changes. Next, you're going to want to text it to see exactly how it works. So head to your phone, go ahead and click Send. And you'll see that the lead receives a link immediately. Next, just check out your lead section, and you can see that this number is now saved as a new lead. Go ahead and claim yours today.